Okay, it took me a minute to get it together. I just woke up just a little while ago, which would have been, say, 8:15 a.m. on the West Coast. In between 8:15 and now, well, 8:10. Anyways, a sound. It was a sound, and it sounded like my dog scratching flea. You know that noise when you're not looking at them, but you can hear them. But this made all, I couldn't feel it. I just didn't feel it, but I could hear it. And it made all the birds in this neighborhood just go off. And the dogs went off. Check it out. What was it?